Have you ever wondered why some people stay in your mind long after the conversation ends? It's not about looks, money, or forced attention. It's about emotional impact. Psychology shows that the human mind remembers how someone makes them feel, not just what they say. In relationships, especially in attraction, the deepest connection comes from emotional presence, mystery, and genuine value, not pressure or control. Today we'll break down 4 powerful psychological principles that naturally make someone think about you in a positive and lasting way. Emotional safety is one of the strongest foundations of attachment in human psychology, and it is often misunderstood in modern discussions about attraction. Many people assume that excitement, unpredictability, or intensity is what creates lasting emotional bonds. But research in psychology and relationship science consistently shows the opposite. Long-term emotional attachment is built in environments where a person feels safe, accepted, and emotionally secure. When someone feels that they can be their authentic self without fear of judgment, criticism, or emotional harm, their nervous system begins to relax in your presence. That relaxation is not just a physical state, it is deeply connected to how the brain encodes memory and emotional association. A calm nervous system allows positive emotional experiences to be stored more deeply, which is why people often feel naturally drawn back to those who make them feel understood and secure. Emotional safety does not mean perfection or the absence of disagreement. It means consistency in emotional behavior. It means that a person knows how you will respond when they express themselves honestly. If someone shares a fear, insecurity, or personal thought and is met with respect instead of ridicule or dismissal, brain registers that interaction as safe. Over time, this creates a psychological pattern where your presence becomes associated with relief rather than tension. In contrast, unpredictable emotional reactions, such as harsh judgment, emotional withdrawal, or inconsistent attention, activate stress responses in the brain. The human mind is wired to avoid environments that create emotional uncertainty, because uncertainty historically signals danger. That is why emotional instability in relationships often leads to anxiety rather than attachment. When emotional safety is present, it also activates something called co-regulation. This is the process where one person's calm emotional state helps regulate the other person's nervous system. In simple terms, when someone feels emotionally safe with you, their stress levels decrease in your presence, and their brain begins to associate you with comfort and stability. This is one of the core reasons people think about certain individuals even when they are not physically around. It is not obsession or forced attention. It is the brain naturally returning to a source of emotional balance. The memory of how you made them feel becomes a psychological anchor. Another important aspect of emotional safety is the freedom to express authenticity. In many social interactions, people wear masks. They present a version of themselves they believe will be accepted, admired, or approved. But this creates internal tension because the real self remains hidden. When someone encounters a person with whom they can drop that mask, even briefly, the experience feels emotionally liberating. That sense of freedom is powerful because it is rare in everyday life. As a result, the mind begins to associate that person with emotional release and authenticity. This is not about performing kindness or trying to impress. It is about allowing space for honesty without pressure. Emotional safety also strengthens attachment through trust reinforcement. Trust is not built through grand gestures, but through repeated small experiences where expectations are met with consistency. When someone shares something personal and it is handled with care, trust grows. When they express themselves and are not dismissed or misunderstood, trust deepens further. Over time, these small moments accumulate into a strong emotional foundation. The brain is constantly evaluating whether a person is safe to invest emotional energy in, and when the answer is consistently yes, attachment naturally forms. It is also important to understand that emotional safety creates what psychologists call secure attachment patterns. In secure attachment, individuals feel comfortable both with closeness and with independence. They do not feel anxious when apart from someone, nor do they feel trapped when together. Instead, there is a stable emotional bond that allows connection without pressure. People who provide emotional safety are often remembered more vividly because they do not trigger emotional distress. Instead, they create a sense of peace that stands out in contrast to everyday stress and emotional noise. In real relationships, emotional safety is often the quiet factor behind strong attraction. It is not loud or dramatic, but it is deeply influential. A person may forget specific conversations conversations or details, but they rarely forget how safe or unsafe they felt around someone. That feeling becomes the emotional imprint that shapes future thoughts, memories, and decisions. Over time, the mind naturally returns to those who provide calmness, understanding, and acceptance, because the human brain is always seeking environments where it feels emotionally secure, and that is the real foundation of lasting connection. Mystery activates curiosity because the human brain is naturally wired to seek closure, fill gaps, and resolve uncertainty. When something is incomplete or partially revealed, the mind doesn't ignore it. It keeps returning to it, trying to make sense of what it cannot fully understand. This is known in psychology as the information gap effect. When a person knows just enough about someone to be interested, but not enough to fully understand them, the brain creates a loop of curiosity that keeps that person mentally present, even when they are not physically around. In the context of attraction and human connection, mystery is not about being secretive or manipulative. It is about not revealing everything at once. When a person shares their entire personality, life story, emotions, and intentions too quickly, the brain of the other person loses the need to explore further. There is no unanswered question left, and without unanswered questions, curiosity fades. But when information is revealed gradually, the mind stays engaged. Each interaction becomes a new piece of a larger puzzle, and the brain becomes motivated to continue that emotional discovery. Curiosity is a powerful psychological driver because it activates the brain's reward system. The moment we feel like we are figuring someone out, dopamine is released. This creates a subtle sense of pleasure and anticipation. The person becomes mentally rewarding, not just because of who they are, but because of the process of discovering them. That is why mystery can make someone feel more interesting over time, even if nothing about them has actually changed. The perception of depth is created through pacing, not overexposure. Another important aspect of mystery is unpredictability in a positive sense. When someone is slightly unpredictable in their interests, thoughts, or reactions, without being inconsistent or unreliable, they become mentally stimulating. The brain pays more attention to patterns it cannot easily predict. This increased attention leads to deeper cognitive processing, which strengthens memory formation. In simple terms, we remember people better when they surprise us in meaningful ways. Mystery also creates emotional projection. When someone does not reveal everything, the other person unconsciously fills in the gaps with their own imagination. This means they are not only thinking about the real person, but also about the version of that person their mind has created. That imagined layer often becomes even more compelling than reality, because it is shaped by personal desires, curiosity, and interpretation. This is why people can think about someone repeatedly after short or incomplete interactions. However, real psychological attraction through mystery only works when there is also emotional clarity and respect. If mystery turns into confusion, inconsistency, or emotional unavailability, it no longer creates curiosity, it creates anxiety. The key difference is emotional stability. Healthy mystery feels like an unfolding story, not a disappearing act. It invites interest rather than causing stress. When balanced correctly, mystery makes interactions feel alive. It turns communication into exploration rather than routine. Instead of feeling like everything is already known, each conversation adds something new. This ongoing sense of discovery keeps the mind engaged naturally, without pressure or forced attention. Over time, the brain begins to associate that person with stimulation, interest, and anticipation, which are all strong ingredients for emotional connection. In the end, mystery is not about hiding who you are, but about allowing people to discover you in layers, because the human mind stays connected to what it is still trying to understand. Value without pressure builds respect, because human psychology responds most strongly to freedom, autonomy, and self-directed choice. When someone feels that your presence adds value to their life without demanding anything in return, the brain naturally associates you with positivity rather than obligation. This is a crucial distinction in attraction and relationships. Pressure creates resistance, but value creates openness. The moment a person feels pushed, chased, or emotionally cornered, their instinct is to protect their independence. But when they feel free and still choose to engage with you, that engagement becomes meaningful and rooted in respect rather than obligation. In psychological terms, pressure activates a subtle stress response. Even small forms of emotional pressure, constant messaging, seeking reassurance, over-explaining feelings, or expecting immediate responses can create a sense of emotional weight. The other person may not consciously label it as stress, but their nervous system registers it as demand. And whenever humans feel emotionally demanded from, they instinctively create distance to regain balance. That is why excessive pursuit often reduces attraction rather than increasing it. It shifts the dynamic from connection to expectation. On the other hand, value without pressure creates a completely different emotional environment. Value can come in many forms: emotional understanding, humor, intellectual stimulation, calm presence, support, confidence, or clarity in communication. When these qualities are offered without attaching conditions or expectations, they become naturally attractive. The key is that nothing is being forced. You are not trying to extract attention, validation, or emotional response, are simply adding something positive to the interaction and allowing the other person to decide its importance. This dynamic builds respect because respect grows where autonomy is preserved. People respect those who do not overstep boundaries or attempt to control emotional outcomes. When someone realizes that you are not trying to manipulate their attention or demand constant reassurance, they begin to perceive you as emotionally stable and grounded. Emotional stability is one of the strongest indicators of maturity in human psychology. It signals that you are not dependent on external validation to maintain your self-worth. Another important aspect is that value without pressure communicates self-sufficiency. When a person sees that you have your own direction, interests, goals, and emotional balance, they understand that your presence in their life is a choice, not a need. This creates a subtle shift in perception. Instead of feeling needed, they feel chosen. And being chosen is far more powerful psychologically than being needed, because it implies genuine preference rather than dependence. Respect also grows through consistency without emotional demand. When you consistently show up in a stable, positive way, without forcing outcomes, the mind begins to trust your presence. Trust is not built through intensity, it is built through reliability. And when reliability is combined with emotional freedom, it creates a safe and attractive dynamic. The other person does not feel trapped, rushed, or obligated. They feel comfortable and respected. It is also important to understand that value without pressure does not mean emotional distance or cold behavior. It is not about withdrawing or playing games. It is about offering your presence without attaching anxiety to the outcome. You can be warm, engaging, and emotionally expressive while still not demanding anything in return. That balance is what creates emotional attraction, grounded in respect rather than tension. Over time, this dynamic leads to deeper emotional investment from the other person because they begin to associate you with ease rather than effort. Relationships that feel easy are not the ones without depth, they are the ones without unnecessary emotional friction. When someone feels good in your presence without pressure, they naturally want to return to it. The mind gravitates toward environments where it feels free, understood, and unpressured. In the end, real respect is not demanded, chased, or negotiated. It is earned quietly through the way you make others feel, and when your value is given without pressure, respect becomes the natural response. Emotional moments create memory loops because the human brain does not store experiences in a neutral way. It stores them through emotion. When something triggers a strong emotional response, whether it is joy, surprise, vulnerability, laughter, or even slight emotional tension, the brain marks that moment as important. This is a survival-based mechanism. From an evolutionary perspective, emotionally charged events were more likely to be significant for safety, bonding, or decision-making, so the brain developed a system that prioritizes them in memory storage. In psychology, this is closely linked to how the amygdala and hippocampus work together. The amygdala processes emotional intensity, while the hippocampus stores the actual memory. When both are activated at the same time, the memory becomes more vivid and more easily retrievable. This is why people often forget routine conversations but vividly remember emotionally meaningful ones, even if they happened a long time ago. The stronger the emotion attached to an experience, the stronger the memory trace becomes. Memory loops form when the brain repeatedly revisits these emotionally charged moments. Instead of being stored as a single closed event, the memory gets reactivated whenever something similar is experienced or even thought about. A sound, a place, a phrase, or even a mood can trigger the recall of that emotional moment. Once triggered, the brain replays not just the event, but also the feeling associated with it. This replay strengthens the memory further, creating a loop where the memory becomes easier to access and more emotionally impactful over time. In human connection and relationships, emotional moments act as anchors. A deep conversation, a moment of vulnerability, shared laughter, or even a meaningful silence can become a psychological reference point. These moments stand out from ordinary interactions because they break routine emotional patterns. The brain notices contrast. When something feels different from normal social interaction, it becomes more memorable. This is why even brief emotional experiences can sometimes leave a stronger impression than long periods of neutral communication. Another important factor is that emotional moments often bypass logical processing. Instead of being analyzed purely with rational thought, they are stored as felt experiences. This means the memory is tied more to sensation than to detail. People may not remember exactly what was said, but they remember how they felt during the interaction. That emotional residue becomes the core of the memory loop. These loops also explain why certain people stay in your mind long after they are gone or not actively present in your life. It is not constant thinking in a conscious sense. It is the brain occasionally reactivating emotional markers associated with them. When a person is connected to multiple, emotionally significant moments, those loops strengthen and become more frequent. The mind revisits them because they are tagged as meaningful experiences. Importantly, not all emotional moments need to be intense to create memory loops. Subtle emotional experiences can also be powerful. A moment of feeling understood, a shared joke at the right time, or a sense of comfort in someone's presence can be enough to create lasting emotional encoding. The key factor is not intensity alone, but emotional significance combined with attention. When attention and emotion align, memory becomes durable. However, these loops can be either positive or negative. Positive emotional moments create attraction, warmth, and longing, while negative emotional moments can create avoidance or discomfort. The brain does not differentiate in terms of usefulness. It simply remembers emotional strength. That is why emotional awareness in communication matters so much in shaping how people remember you. Ultimately, emotional moments create memory loops because the mind is designed to prioritize feelings over facts, and anything that makes a person feel deeply becomes something they return to again and again, often without even realizing why. In conclusion, human attraction and emotional connection are not built on force, pressure, or control, but on the quiet psychological foundations that shape how we feel and remember others. Emotional safety creates trust, mystery keeps curiosity alive, value without pressure builds respect, and emotional moments form lasting memory loops in the mind. Together, these principles show us that real connection is never about trying to dominate someone's thoughts, but about creating experiences that feel meaningful, comfortable, and emotionally significant. When someone feels safe with you, their mind relaxes in your presence. When they are curious about you, they stay mentally engaged. When they see your value without feeling pressured, they respect your presence. And when they share emotional moments with you, their brain naturally remembers you through feelings rather than logic. This is how lasting impressions are formed, not through manipulation, but through emotional intelligence and genuine.